Welcome back to Wonderful Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. As you can see, it's a really cold day. You can see the ice down there. I'm flying in an area called Chingford in northeast London. Found a little spot over here, and without further ado, let's take off. So as you can see, we are up in the sky. Obviously we're not going to go close to the power lines, but it looks like we're so close to it, but we're nowhere near it. I can see the drone anyway. So yeah, we're going to have a nice little drone flight here in this really cold day, but I'm on my thermals, so I'm nice and warm. And yeah, let's just, without further ado, just zip around this area. So I've never flown in this area before. Actually, no, we're in 25 FPS. Let's go back to 50 FPS. And then we'll do a 360-degree photo, like we usually do. In my last drone flight, I actually flown for New Year's Eve, and I got a nice fireworks all around London, and even the London Eye area, around North London, Camden. And yeah, I got some good drone shots. It's now 2026, first flight. No, the first flight was the New Year's one, but this is like my second flight. Hopefully I do more amazing drone flights this year. So the thing is absolutely freezing. Alright, 360-degree photo is now complete. Let's just zip around now. So let's explore the Chingford area. So as you can see, we've got a nice area. We actually got a chimney here. As you can see, the smoke, the factory. It's not a factory, it's like a waste plant, energy plant, North London. So we're just gonna get shot near that area. I've searched the area. We're near a place called Eco Farm. We're between a place called Edmonton in North London, so we're literally in the border of northeast London and East London. So I'm in northeast London right now. The side we're going to is Enfield, London Borough of Enfield. Where I'm flying from is in the middle, so the other side's actually Waltham Forest side, and our drone's in the Enfield side. So I think that's the incineration plant, which is from what I searched. And yeah, we're just getting a nice shot of it. So I think that's where they turn rubbish into energy, and they burn it up. And we're just gonna get a nice shot of it. And in this winter's day, the smoke is really thick. I usually see smoke in this area whenever I go past this area. And I'd expect the smoke to be coming from the chimney, but it's coming from down here. So let's just orbit around it and just get a shot of the area. So I've always wanted to get a drone shot of this area, and I thought, you know what, today's the day. Let's just go here, get a nice drone shot. So you can see 5 chimneys, as you can see. It's actually insane. So as you can see, that's where they actually turn energy. They turn rubbish into energy, basically. So yeah, let's get a nice shot of it. So I don't know what to call this drone flight, because we're between Edmonton and Chingford. So yeah, those are the chimneys. I never really got a shot like this before of this area, because I've never flown my drone here. And then there's even a solar panel farm nearby. It's actually insane. Where's the solar farm? I think it's around here. Well, from the maps I saw it was a solar farm. Maybe it's not a solar farm, but I could be wrong. But it's probably nowhere near here. So that's where the smoke comes from. So if you live in northeast London, you see that smoke, that's where it's actually coming from. So yeah, it's a nice sunny day, winter's day, but the sun's quite harsh, as you can see. It's better when it's summer, even in winter it's alright. And there's a big lake over here, as you can see, so we get a nice shot of that as well. So it's pretty much an industrial area where we're flying. Loud motor come past, it's a Range Rover. I've probably seen like a guy flying a drone with his controller. So there's a big lake on the other side, and we're going to go to that side in a second. So we're near Costco as well. There's a Costco here as well. Let's get a shot of Costco. So what we'll do, we'll just go a little bit down, get a shot of Costco. And that's the car park, we'll go to the car park area as well. And then we've got the dual carriageway right over here, which is the A406. Get a shot of that as well. Let's join the dual carriageway with the drone. Insane. Look, golden hour shot, nice. Amazing. The drone's moving like that because it's the gimbal, it's not the actual drone. And it's the wind. Yeah, the wind's making the gimbal move erratically. There's a strong gust, that's why. And then we've got the other reservoir, which is quite far. I'm not going to go down there. Maybe in a future drone flight I might go down there. Then we've got the energy plant right over there. Get a nice shot near there. Oh look, the solar panel farms are actually here, look. Or is it? Maybe it's something else, because I saw on the maps it looks like solar panels, like on a satellite view. Yeah, the gimbal's moving a little bit like that. Yeah. Just the gimbal that's moving like that. We'll go to the other side as well. The other side's down here. Look at that amazing view. Got a shot of London. Let's go towards the riverside. What I might do, I might like bring the drone lower. We'll get a nice shot of the reservoir. There's a in there as well. Let's get a shot of it. Obviously we're not going too low, we don't want to hit any of the power lines. Look at that nice shot of this lake. Really open lake. I could fly a little bit lower, but it might be a bit risky. I don't want to hit the pylons. So there's islands over here. Let's get a closer shot of the island. I don't know what that is. It looks like a net of some sort. You know, we actually get really nice shots when we like look vertical in the lake. Look at that shot. Amazing. Look at that. Looks amazing. This shot. We're above a big lake right now. It's a massive lake. This could be our thumbnail shot. Actually, no, our thumbnail shot will probably be something else that we got. So we're just what else can we get shots of? Let's go further down to this area down here. So then when we come back, we can get a nice shot of the. We can get a nice shot of coming back, essentially. I could even take off from here. I might do that in the future drone flight. Take off from this area, because there's a nice open place over here. I can even do low down shots of the lake. Or was it a reservoir? I think on the maps it said it was a reservoir. When it's like winter, you can see the sun's quite harsh instead. What I might do, I might just bring the drone back. We'll go a bit local. Look at that nice open lake. Amazing. Go back to Costco side, Chingford side. Look at that nice shot. I mean, it's getting quite later in the day now, so that's why I try and do drone flights as early as possible, but then it just gets late quite quickly. Follow a car going past right there. Looks like the drone's moving erratically, but it's actually not. It's just gimbal. See, the drone gimbal just moving like that. I don't know why. I hope nothing's wrong with my drone, but it's been doing that in quite a few recent drone flights. So you've got thick smoke. This only happens when it's cold, by the way, because it's steam, or yeah, steam basically. In the summer, you don't really see that. It's quite interesting to see all that smoke. She's moving quite erratically. What I might do now, I might just stay local. It's getting dark as well, and battery's nearing the low side, so we just get a local shot of this area, then we just land. Get a shot of Costco, that side. Thing is, standing here flying a drone, people usually take a look of what I'm doing, but you know, it's not that bad. People are probably just intrigued. Look at that nice sunset shot. the horizon looks a little bit crooked, which isn't really ideal. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to land the drone now. I'm going to bring it back to the home point. I'm going to land it, being careful of any pylons. But as we do that, we'll just get a nice low down shot. So we'll go a bit lower down now. So as you can see, I'm right here. Looks like we're so close to the pylons. But we're just going to land right now. Only issue is that the beeping noise started now. There's even a car coming. Thing is, yeah, it's quite sunny, so I'm going to try and land it while I'm this way, so I can see the drone better. I mean, I can see it anyway, but like, I'm going to make sure I can land it properly. All right, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Chingford in northeast London. Or Edmonton. I mean, I'm between two locations right now, between two London boroughs right now. So anyway, I'm going to end this drone flight now. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.